Hi, Teal Room. We are going to read Fire Engine number 9. Do you see the fire truck? These are some of the things that you see on a fire truck or on a firefighter. Firefighters wear helmets, they wear boots, they wear gloves, they use flashlights if it's dark, they use a fire extinguisher to put out a fire. Firefighters use ladders to get up to windows. They can use axes. They use a hose, and that squirts the water out to put the fire out. Here are the firefighters washing the truck and packing the truck with the things that they need. Whoops. Oh, there we go. Alert, alert! Fire, fire, fire! The alarm is going off. Ding, 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 ding. Uh-oh. Bark, bark, bark. There's the fire dog, and he's barking. There's a fire. Whoosh. The firefighters go down the pole. Bring, 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 bring. The alarm is going off. The firefighters need to get dressed with their boots and their pants and their coat and their helmets. And they get on the fire truck. They have to go to the fire. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Honk, honk, honk. Here they go. They're going through the town. And there's smoke. There's the fire. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Get off of the truck. Hook up the hose. Get your ladder. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Run to the fire. And the firefighters pull the hose. He's almost there. And whoosh. The water comes out of the hose to put the fire out. Climb, 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 climb. He's going to go in the window using his ladder. Smash! He has to break the window to get inside. Crawl, crawl, crawl. He is rescuing a baby. He saved the baby. So he's giving him to a firefighter. Careful, careful, careful. Nice job, firefighters. Everyone is safe. And the fire is put out and it's all done. The end.